Welcome to the Fantastic 5 list. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 dash cams of 2025. Whether you're looking for crystal clear footage, advanced safety features, or seamless app integration, these dash cams are designed to keep you safe and secure on the road. Let's explore which models made our list and why they're a must-have for any driver. Looking for a powerful and reliable dash cam? Meet the Vantrue S1 Pro, designed for crystal clear recordings, enhanced night vision, and advanced safety features. It uses an upgraded Novatech chip to record 1944p front plus 1080p rear at 30 fps or 1440p at 60 fps front, with a 160 degrees wide-angle lens capturing crucial details like license plates. An optional CPL filter reduces glare for even sharper visuals. The latest Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor and f/1.8 aperture ensure excellent low-light performance, while HDR balances bright and dark areas. Its discreet design fits easily behind your rearview mirror, with a secure 3M adhesive mount and an adjustable 36 degrees front camera. Control the dash cam via built-in 5G Wi-Fi and the Vantrue app, available for iOS and Android. GPS tracks your route and speed without subscription fees, and voice commands in multiple languages allow hands-free operation. The S1 Pro also features motion and collision detection, pre-recording, and loop recording. Pair with the optional LTE module for real-time alerts, remote video access, and smart cloud storage. Upgrade your driving experience today. If you're looking for a compact yet feature-rich dash cam, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is the perfect choice. About the size of a car key, it easily mounts behind the rearview mirror, remaining almost invisible while providing full protection. The camera records in 1080p Full HD with a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, capturing essential details like license plates. Thanks to Garmin Clarity HDR technology, it delivers clear and detailed recordings in both daytime and nighttime conditions. Enjoy hands-free control with voice commands available in multiple languages to save videos, capture photos, and more. This feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and sends alerts to your phone if any incident is detected. It requires constant power and an active Wi-Fi connection for real-time monitoring. For complete coverage, you can sync up to 4 Garmin dash cams through the app, giving you a comprehensive view of your vehicle's surroundings. With built-in Wi-Fi, videos are automatically uploaded to Garmin Vault, a secure cloud storage accessible via the Garmin Drive app. You can monitor your car remotely in real time when it's parked, receiving alerts for any detected incidents. Designed to withstand high temperatures, this dash cam is ideal for various weather conditions. The package includes a dual USB charger and supports micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, class 10 or higher. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 delivers powerful performance in a small design, offering advanced security and great convenience. Upgrade your vehicle's protection today. If you're looking for comprehensive coverage, the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam is an excellent choice. It provides 155 degrees front, 165 degrees interior, and 160 degrees rear views, capturing 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p simultaneously. In dual mode, it records in stunning 4K 2160p front and 1080p rear, perfect for detailed footage. The rear camera's 20-foot cable suits larger vehicles like SUVs and trucks. The N4's interior camera is adjustable, recording at 1440p, ideal for rideshare drivers needing in-cabin evidence. With a Starvis CMOS sensor, f1.4 front lens, and f1.8 rear lens, it excels in low-light conditions. For IR LEDs ensure clear night vision inside the cabin. The dash cam offers multiple parking modes, including low bitrate and event-triggered recording. A supercapacitor ensures reliable operation in extreme temperatures, -10 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, Key features include loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, optional GPS, sold separately, for tracking routes, locations, and speed, and support for microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth support, ensuring enhanced security against hacking. The Vantrue N4 delivers high-resolution recording, triple-angle protection, and advanced features for complete peace of mind. Looking for a reliable dashcam with exceptional video quality and advanced features? The ASDOM M300S 4K dashcam offers top-tier protection with 4K Ultra HD, 3840x 2160p, front and 1080p Full HD rear recording, ensuring crystal-clear footage of crucial details like license plates and road signs. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can access real-time footage, download recordings, and share them via the ASDOM app. The built-in GPS accurately tracks routes, locations, and speed, which can be reviewed using the ASDOM GPS player. Voice commands like take picture or lock the video allow for hands-free operation, enhancing safety. Its 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens provides comprehensive road coverage, while the f1.8 aperture and WDR technology ensure clear footage, even in low-light or nighttime conditions. The dash cam includes collision detection, automatically recording and locking a 1-minute emergency video if an impact occurs while parked. With loop recording and a pre-included 64 GB microSD card, expandable to 256 GB, the M300S offers seamless, uninterrupted recording. Built for durability, it's easy to install and operate, making it an essential driving companion. Discover why the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel dashcam is a must-have for drivers seeking top-tier protection. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensors, it delivers 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160 for the front camera and 1080p Full HD for both rear and interior cameras, ensuring comprehensive coverage with cinematic quality. Key technologies like plate picks and 4K HDR guarantee precise license plate recognition and clear footage, even in low light. This ensures vital details are captured for solid evidence in accidents or disputes. The interior camera, with its f1.8 aperture and IR LEDs, records crisp passenger footage, even in complete darkness, perfect for rideshare drivers. The dash cam features always-on 5 GHz Wi-Fi, enabling quick video transfers via the Vantrue app. GPS logs your route, speed, and location, embedding these details in your videos for added context. It also offers customizable recording modes, such as front plus rear or front plus cabin, in 4K plus 1080p. For parking security, the buffered motion detection mode records 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after detecting motion. This ensures no critical moment is missed. A hardware kit sold separately is required for this mode. Safety is enhanced with 12 voice commands, allowing hands-free operation for tasks like taking photos or locking videos. The dash cam is powered by dual capacitors, ensuring reliable performance in extreme temperatures, -14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The magnetic mount simplifies installation, and an optional 29.5-foot rear camera cable is available for larger vehicles. Supporting up to 512 GB memory cards, the N4 Pro offers extensive recording capacity. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month warranty and responsive customer support. The Vantrue N4 Pro combines cutting-edge technology and durability, making it an essential tool for drivers prioritizing security and documentation.